Sorry, see, he's putting it here. He's deciding which food source to build by rotating the card.
Oh.
Yeah, precisely. You see, so he decides to build a paddy field. So he puts the paddy field, build it in place. Paddy field done.
So he hammers it.
He hammers already and it's already built. So now he puts the farmer inside. See? Puts the farmer there. Alright, see what happens when he hammers the farmer. See? An animation of the farmer working on a paddy field. Yeah. So in other words, it's kind of like once they match the occupation to the right place, it's kind of acts out animation plays of what the occupation is doing in that place. Yeah.
So what happens if he matches the wrong one?
If you match the wrong one, nothing happens.
Oh.
Yeah. And then like this, the robot, right? It's actually giving instructions like
hints.
Yeah. So like, okay, well this is an old video demo, but in our latest demo, once my friend brings the working computer, this will change to you build like a paddy field. Let's put someone here to work. Then you put a farmer. Then you say, okay, yes, you build the farmer, you know? Kind of like encouraging kids to match and build their city along the way. Okay, so after this demo, I'll show you the video testing with the kids. We actually tested this with a PAP kindergarten class. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so
this is a real life farm build.
Yeah, it could
So
be.
you really need to know how to farm for this.
oh man, I should use VLC.
Wait, I need to run already.
Okay, I'll see you online.
Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, good luck for the finals.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, you're video recording?
Yes. This is cool.
This is the kids play with this. So see how the kids react when a 3D object appears on the screen and when they build something?
Yeah.
They're deciding to build a school, yeah. So yeah, now they're looking for a teacher card. Yeah.
I cannot cover.
So they're like putting a teacher in the school right now. What's the teacher doing? Teacher is teaching the children. They're actually observing the animation if you notice.
Yes.
Yeah. So for them, they actually learn along the way.
Very nice.
See, they get excited when a food source appears. They say, let's build this food source. They just build a chicken coop. Like discussing what to build next, and they're looking at the city and all the interactions and wondering from there.
Now, if someone were to argue, right, why use AR? Why can't you just click around the computer? What would it be the distinct advantage of using AR?
Okay. That's because, these cards give the kids something to touch and feel.
Yes.
And because they can move it around, it feels like very similar to Lego blocks. They feel like they're actually building something and in control of the situation.
Okay.
Like things like that. And then furthermore, this hammer card, we just ice cream stick stuck on it to simulate a hammer.
Yes.
Actually helps to give them that more touch and feel. Yeah.
Okay.
With the mouse, they just point and click, point and click.
Yes.
It's not very interactive for them, but with this, they feel like they're actually building something.
So it's more intuitive like this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And in terms of learning, how would you argue that it helps with the learning potential?
Okay, what we did, right?
Yeah.
With this, our testing, we test with 3 groups of 3 each.
Right.
At the kindergarten.
Yes.
What we did was before we started testing, we interviewed them on some of the words here. Like we asked them, do you know what a milk lady does? You know? Do you know what leisure is? This kind of words. So like we knew that they didn't know all these words beforehand. After they played with the system, we interviewed them again. And they could tell us what it meant.
Oh, it became familiar with them?
Yeah, it became
Oh,
familiar.
cool.
So which means they actually learned the words. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
Yeah.
So this whole thing could be expanded to do all kinds of scenarios then, and expand the vocabulary so you could buy more sets of these images and postcards and all that.
Yes, definitely.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so good luck for your project.
Alright, thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye. Hey, if people want to find out more, where can they go?
You don't have a website? 'Cause
No
it's a
website.
school project.
Okay,
Yeah, but
maybe you should set one.
yeah, I'll set up one.
Okay, see you.